Hello, I'm Dragoș, and in this video we're going to see how we can duplicate easily a post or a page in WordPress. You may want to do this to easily create new pages. Maybe if you want to create a new page that you need to modify only the header or to modify some of the boxes there to be easier for you to create new pages. This process works both with any page builder and it works also with Guthenberg. And I have here a test website created. You see I have the page builder Breackdance installed, which helps me create faster websites and have a nice speed. And I've created a page in here, and I'll show you how you can easily duplicate it, but you can use this method with Elementor or with any other page builder you want. Also, I have here about page, build with Guthenberg and build with Cadence. This method also works with Guthenberg if you have pages built with Guthenberg. So let's get into it. I will go into the website, and in here I will go to the plugins, and in the plugins area I will go to add new, and we're gonna need a plugin to do this, and I will search for duplicate. And in here you have multiple plugins that can help you with this. I'm recommending the duplicate page plugin because it's easy to use, it's free, and it has a lot of installations, it's updated regularly and so on. So we are going to install it, we are going to activate it, and then we are going to the settings and the duplicate page. And in here you need to choose the editor. So in my case I am using the Guthenberg editor, and I will let all editors in here just to cover everything. The duplicate post status to be in draft, publish, private or pending. I will let it in draft. You can also add a suffix if you want for this duplicate post suffix. So I will add a copy, so I know that this is done with a copy. Okay, and right now you can go into post or pages. I will choose pages, and let's see how we can use the duplicate. First, I will gonna modify the page that it's built with Breackdance. So if you see it in here, you have the page built with Breackdance, and it has some elements on the page. Maybe you want to change something, maybe you want to change its boxes, you want to change the hero, and you want to let the other things like pricing and so on. And this application will allow you to do this easily. So yeah, this is the page, and what you need to do is just hit the duplicate this, and right now the page was created. You see in here you have the services copy, add it with the draft, and first let's go and just edit it like this just to see what is happening in here. So in here you see that you added the services, and you have the copy and the URL structure, it's services with the suffix. In here you can modify it as you like. For instance, web services, you can remove this, and if you hit save draft, this page URL it will be modified. And right now you can edit this page also with Breackdance. And for instance, let's say you want to edit the title in here, you go and choose the title. You go and change the text, for instance, web services. Then you hit save. You can go and add other elements if you want in here. You can modify the text in here as you like it and so on. But in here I will just save it. And right now if we go to the WordPress dashboard, in here you have the options to publish it, and if you publish this and then we are going to check it, you're gonna see that the page was modified. You will be pointed to the URL, and in here you see that the text was modified with web services. Same thing will happen also for the Guthenberg one. So for instance, I have this about us. If we hit edit, you're gonna see that it's using Cadence, and it has some default things in here that were built with Cadence blocks importing for their library. So if we want to duplicate this, same duplicate this, and then you'll have a copy in here. Then you can go and edit this, and again in here you can change the name as you like. For instance, I don't know, about us to, let's say, and in here you can change this to about us. And when you're finishing, you can save to draft, and you make any other modification, or you even publish it. And again, we can visit the page and we see that this was modified, and you see the about us, it's here right now. And yeah, you have the URL created. In this way, you are duplicating your post or pages easily. This works with any page builder that you may have, and also with Guthenberg. I hope you enjoyed the video. In case you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.